From now on, we'll be doing every single Wednesday night, each with its own theme. Tonight, the theme, at least for the initial transmission, will be for race. And then we'll open it up shortly thereafter to your questions, participant questions. Creator, I command to be connected to the angels that are the highest, that are in alignment with the Creator's vibration, that are in alignment with the vibration and the intentions of each individual listening tonight and those who will listen in the future. For the highest and best good, in the highest and best way. Thank you, Creator. It is done. It is done. It is done.
Why are you wanting to be with us? Why are you wanting to be with us? You are each asking us so many questions. You are where you are wanting to be. You are where you are wanting to be. If it feels badly, that is not what we are saying. We are saying that all things are where you are. So you are where you are wanting to be. You are all things. All things are what you are. You are always where you are wanting to be. It is time to stop desperately reaching outside of you for what you are wanting to feel, because everything you are wanting to feel is in what you are. You are asking us about race. You are wanting us to talk about skin color and the differences between you. And this makes you so sad to think about. It makes you so sad to think about why everyone has to feel I am different. Why can't I be treated the same? Why can't I be seen the same? Rachel is wanting to cry. Each of you has been every color. Each of you has shown who you are in so many different ways. Each of you has experienced what you call racism. Perhaps not in this lifetime, but sometimes it's hard to understand why I chose to be where I am. Why I chose to be in the skin that I chose to be in. Why? When last time I came, I knew that it would be a hard life if I chose that. We are asking you to recreate your history in your mind. Not only the history that you have experienced in this current life, but your entire history of who you consider to be your ancestors. We are not just talking to those of you who are considering yourself as people of color. We are talking to everyone. Recreate yourself and your ancestry. If you consider yourself as someone who is Caucasian, we are asking you to recreate your history in your mind. Recreate white people, as you say, as caring and loving and equal to everyone else. If you consider yourself a person of color, we are asking you to recreate your history as well in your mind. Recreate who you have always ever been. equal, powerful, strong, loving, caring, devoted, divine, belonging, worthy, deserving, cherished, and to be revered and honored and respected. Look at yourself 1,000 years ago and see yourself as all of these things. Look at yourself 10,000 years ago and see yourself as all of these things. Together, you can recreate what was, and that is the only way the future will be different. Some of you are asking us why. Because your mind doesn't know the difference between what you see in your past and what you will see in your future. We are not asking you to invalidate your feelings. We are not asking you to lie to yourself. We are asking you to change your mind about what you were so that you can see that you will every time have choice. Some of you are asking, well, my ancestors didn't have any choice. They were needing to work. Some of you have Jewish ancestry, and you remember being enslaved by the Egyptians. There was never anything wrong with any of you. The truth is, each of you have been the perpetrator as well as the victim. And it is time for you to step aside from these identities you have created in your mind, because you are not either thing. You are not either thing. You are not your thoughts. You are not your feelings. You are all the spaces in between your thoughts and your feelings. You have never been your thoughts or your feelings or any part of how you have seen yourself. And you have every time been the space in between. Each of you can think of that now. Each of you are represented here tonight. How lucky that you cannot see each other. How lucky that you cannot judge each other based on what you see. Rachel is wanting to cry. She is sad that everyone needs to see each other, they think, in order to know how to respond. She feels sad. Tonight you are invited to see yourselves as we see you. So beautiful, so powerful, so loving of each other, no matter what. Rachel is wanting to cry. Wherever you are, we are. We are where you are, wherever you are, whenever you are, wherever you are. We are all things, just as you are. We are going to leave our conversation about race at that. If you would like, you can ask us more questions, or you can ask a different question that feels more in alignment with what you are wanting. First, we are wanting to speak to those of you who have just arrived. You have come just in time, because we are about to have a big party, and you have been invited. Feel the energy inside. Feel the excitement inside your body, and understand that the party has never been anywhere but where you are. Yes. You are all things. You are all things. You have all things. You have all things. You have all things. Everything you are is everything you have. You have everything that you are.